taken down. There is no court order which orders Director Yap to take down the teaser video or any other material for that matter.
Baka pwede, attorney, from an attorney's explanation, ano po ba ibig sabihin itong writ of habeas data?
Magandang tanong yan no? Pero siguro tingnan natin at basahin natin yung kung intention ng Supreme Court tungkol dito sa writ of habeas data na ito. Itong Supreme Court circular po na ito ay way back na 2008 pa na in-issue. Ang naglabas po nito ay yung court po ni Chief Justice Renato Puno. And ito ay pinattern dun po sa mga writs of habeas data na makikita natin dun sa mga Latin American countries like Argentina, Peru, Ecuador, Brazil. At ang layunin po nito ay para makatulong po at makapagbigay impormasyon dun po sa mga pamilya ng mga desaparecido. Yung mga nawawala, yung mga dinadampot ng mga militar. Sa madaling salita, ito ay very specific na remedy or na action only with regard to instances where the life and liberty of an individual is being affected or has in fact been affected to the point that government agencies in charge or having possession of yung mga data, information, reports, yung mga intelligence reports, will now be compelled to produce these reports so that yung tao na yon would be able to amend it, or kung talagang mali yung impormasyon na yon, ay pwede niyang mapadelete from the government files. So, sa madaling salita, this is not a petition that should be used by a private individual who is trying now to suppress information obtained by an artist. Yung pong impormasyon naman na ito, pwede na natin actually isipin na pwede nyong makuha sa internet Mababasa natin tungkol dun sa pangyayari way back in 1985 tungkol dito sa Pepsi Paloma na ito. So, ano yung gusto niyang impormasyon na ibigay ni Director Yap? No different from you, in the media. Can you actually be compelled to produce the source of your material? Simply because of a writ of habeas data, you cannot be forced. Because meron kayong tinatawag na number 1, journalistic license, and then number 2, yung secrecy of your sources. You have that right. There are people who have been arrested and have been detained for refusal to produce this information, and the media has always stood by the right of media to protect its sources. Itong petition na ito intends now to compel Director Yap to produce information which he obtained through his own sources for purposes of a literary or artistic work.
Attorney Fortune, pero for the media, it's more of writ of amparo, di ba? Tama ba? We can use for our... No.
Yes, writ of amparo.
But not for that situation.
Writ of habeas data pertains to data collection, yung information obtained by government agencies who are actually licensed to do it. Now, dun sa circular ng ng Supreme Court nakalagay, and individuals collecting, harnessing, obtaining information. But makikita nyo na ang purpose talaga is to direct yung mga agencies who are into the business of collecting information. Alam naman natin na merong mga iba talaga na ganyan. Yung mga credit bureaus, kumakalap yan ng impormasyon tungkol sa tao. Now, if this information is required in order to protect the life or liberty of a person, then yes, that writ of habeas data can be utilized. Pero kung ito ay gagamitin dahil gusto nilang malaman kung ano yung nilalaman noong pelikula, sa tingin ko, I mean, we will be raising several constitutional and fundamental defects and weaknesses to this petition if we are supposed to. But for now, the most that we will do is just to move for the consolidation of yung petition na ito dun sa criminal action na isinampa nila, because the resolution of the Supreme Court itself says so. Kinakailangan kung kayo ay nagsampa ng isang criminal case, yung pong petition for habeas data nyo ay kinakailangan ngayon i-consolidate dito sa mga criminal actions na ito.